SOLIDWORKS you can use a rollback bar to review your creation sequence. But instead of using the mouse, you can use the arrow keys. First, go to Tools, Options, System Options and Feature Manager. Ensure that you have a check mark in arrow key navigation. This will allow you to navigate the rollback using the up and down keys, making it much simpler to review the creation of the model features. One word of caution when using the rollback feature. It is intended as a design review tool, not as a replacement for suppress. While it is possible to insert a model into a drawing or an assembly while in rollback, it is not possible to insert that assembly into another assembly.